Assalamu alaikum viewers, Eid Mubarak. Welcome back to English with Sabbir. I'm Sabbir here again to share some festive phrases and idioms with all of you. Right. So let's celebrate this Eid with these festive phrases and idioms. So without any further delay, let's get back to the topic. The first one is cloud nine. Yes, now repeat after me. Cloud nine. This idiom is actually used with someone when he gets very cheerful and happy. When a person gets happy, it becomes beyond description. At this moment, we can use this idiom with this person. For example, we can say that Mr. Jahid is on cloud nine whenever he came to know that he is going to get a BMW. Yes, the BMW car. Okay, so this is the situation when a person becomes so happy that he cannot describe even. Okay, now let's move to the second one. The second one is happy camper. Now repeat after me. Happy camper. Happy camper is a person who is really satisfied and content. So when a person gets something and become satisfied, this person is called happy camper. For example, we can say my little brother gets an iPhone and he is now a happy camper. Okay, so my brother gets an iPhone, so definitely he becomes satisfied. So we can say he is a happy camper now. Okay, so let's move to the next one, the third one. The third one is social butterfly. Yes, social butterfly. So social butterfly is a person who is extrovert, who is social, and who doesn't confine himself in a narrow boundaries. So he is open-hearted person, he is an open-minded person. He can mix with whatever the class it is. He can mix with the poor people, he can mix with the middle class people, he can mix with the rich people, top people. Even he gets so much property or money in his life, he never bothered to meet with to have company with the poor people. So this kind of people we call social butterfly. For example, you can say that Lima is a social butterfly, or we can say that she is a social butterfly. Yes, we can say that she is a social butterfly because she is open-minded, she has a great heart, and she can mix friend with other students easily because she is a social butterfly. Okay, so it's time to move to the next one. The next one and the fourth one, actually I mean. So the fourth one is with bells on. Yes, now repeat after me. With bells on. So this phrase actually used when we ask someone for a party and he is not going to refuse. Right. So when someone never miss a party, when he never miss the call of a party, when he never ever miss the chance to be on a party, this person actually the person who always be there on a party with bells on. Okay, so the bells on, so with bells on, it is to be attend in a party at right time and never miss a party. Okay, For example, Mr. Shaun never refused to go on a party. He will be there with bells on. So you can also invite Shaun in your Eid festival, okay? And if Mr. Shaun is watching my video and I'm going to say him that you are invited, so never miss the party, be in my house with bells on, okay? So this is the fourth one, and the final one, I mean the fifth one. So the last one is getting a kick out of something. Yes. So it is actually the situation when a person enjoys something properly, when he gets the pleasure out of something, the whole pleasure. Okay. For example, we can say, Nova dresses herself like a beauty queen, and she is getting a kick out of it by doing so. I repeat once again, Nova dresses herself like a beauty queen. So as she dresses herself like a beauty queen, and she is getting the pleasure in her mind, he is getting the pleasure by herself. So we can say that she is getting a kick out of it. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope you will learn something from my video, and obviously you are enjoying my videos. And if you are enjoying my videos and if you have come to know something from my video, and whatever you learn, just make dua for me on this Eid day, and I wish that all of you may remain safe and sound. And that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.